Hello, everyone, and welcome. My name is Michael Johnson, and today I am presenting my IT 143 final project presentation titled My Communities Analysis, utilizing Tail SQL to extract strategic organizational insight. In this presentation, I will demonstrate how raw database tables can be structured and queried to solve real-world problems for organization stakeholders. For this project, I was given two data sets, my FC and the Simpsons, but I used the data sets from the Simpsons. For this project, I performed data analysis across two distinct community structures. The first is a family demographic model stored within my community's DP. The second is an enterprise human resource database representing an employee management tracking system. My core objective was to move from abstract data storage to actionable business intelligence by designing targeted queries that address specific high priority organization challenges. Let's look first at our family data set. This database tracks family distribution and population counts across various regional sectors, from for city administrators and community development. This data is essential for managing municipal expansion and public resources. During my analysis, I focused on four strategic questions. First, which communities have the largest family population? This helps leaders understand where to allocate community resources. Second, which location contains the highest number of registered families? This informs infrastructure and zoning teams. Third, which communities have the smallest population? This isolates undeserved or rural zones that might need targeted state development. Finally, which individual records belong to those high population communities? This connects individual families, units to learner, matching trend. Smaller populations, undeserved or rural zone that might need targeted state development. Finally, is which family development belongs to those high population communities. This connects individual family units to larger macro trends. If you look at it from here, as you can see here, SQL Server Studio Management. By utilizing aggregate functions and storing data using clauses like order by, we instantly extract exactly what sector contains the highest density of family, giving stakeholders concrete metrics rather than guesswork. In my second community, that's under the HR employee model, moving on to our second data set, my community represents an enterprise staffing architecture. This database tracks the operational life cycle of employees, including department moves, job titles, and retention history. The primary stakeholders here are HR resources executives, department directors, and hiring managers. Architecturally, I approach this using data warehousing fundamentals. I modeled a dimension table named dim underscore employee, utilizing an integer surrogate key named employee underscore key. to preserve historical integrity, which maps directly to operational attributes such as members underscore ID, first underscore name, and last underscore name. To serve our executive stakeholders, I structured TSQL queries around 4 critical key performance indicators. We tracked our total active workforce volume, separated active personnel from terminated staff to calculate corporate attrition, calculated headcounts grouped by individual departments, and measured the average years of employee service to establish a loyal baseline. Let's look at how these executives live in our environment. By executing these relational joins and utilizing mathematical filters, we count an AVG. An HR director can instantly see exactly which departments are over or under advocated and view precise organization turnover trends in real time. In conclusion, this project provided me with invaluable experience bridging the gap between business inquiries and technical data engineering. By developing dimensions framework like DIM IM underscore employee and executing clean TSQL queries, I learned that database administration is not merely about data storage. It is about translating raw technical assets into competitive business advantage that support robust data-driven decision. Thank you for your time.